Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can prevent apps from using your calendar. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and open up your mobile phone settings. Now there you can see the option called screen time. Go ahead and tap on it. And once your screen time is there, you can see the option content and privacy restrictions. Once you tap on it, allow the content and privacy restrictions. Now you can see calendar options, just allow the changes. So here this allowing changes locks the settings shown below and prevents new apps from using your calendar, and applications that have requested access to your calendars will appear in here. Now here our setting is already set to allow changes, and if you change the settings to don't allow changes, it will block the settings from using your calendar and it will prevent your applications from using your calendar. So that's all guys. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.